Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video we will learn about how to mix colors and what is the term color theory. So many people are a bit confused about color theory, like if we use red color in a painting, so what color should we use besides red color. So in this video you will get cleared about this issue and I will let you learn what are the basics of colors, like primary colors and secondary colors, and what are the complementary, tertiary colors, and that's it. And I will be giving you a secret tip at the end of the video. So let's dive in the video and stay connected. Let's get started. So firstly I would like to suggest you all that don't buy if you can't afford so many tubes, color tubes and color palettes, because you can mix so many colors out of them, the primary colors and secondary colors, and you can get a lot out of that colors. Only out of 3 colors or out of 6 colors you can get more colors, and besides buying the color tubes you can form that color and how to form different shades of colors. So don't miss that part. I'll show you from scratch that how do you mix colors, and from the basics of the colors you can form so many colors. So let's dive in the color palette and the shades of colors. So firstly we would understand that what are the primary colors. Red, yellow and blue are the primary colors, and I'll show you on the sheet of paper. So now what are the secondary colors? Orange, purple and green. Let's show you on the sheet of paper again. So there are the basics 3 patterns of color mixing, like primary, secondary and tertiary. The third one is tertiary. In this you have to just mix primary and secondary colors to form more shades of colors. Let's begin on the sheet of paper again.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, then it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control.
And now, as the part is clear, the 3 types of colors, that are primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors. And now we will learn about the temperature of colors, and it's a very important part to know the colors better. So let's dive into the learning of the temperatures of colors. So there are 2 types of temperatures of colors, that is warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors includes reds, oranges and yellows, and the cool colors includes blues, purples and greens. And as we all know, there are some psychological reasons behind the color temperatures, that is warm colors appear to us such as bright, enthusiastic and cheerful, but besides that the cool colors appear to us gloomy and dark.
Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly.
So let me show you the color wheel of monochromatic color scheme.
It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. How does it feel?
And now the complementary color scheme, which is supposedly I have drawn a color wheel in the starting, and I have shown you the color facing to each other are known as complementary colors. Let's see a glimpse of the color wheel so that you can understand better.
I know it's boring me, now come alive, baby. Get out grave. And yeah, I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone.
So putting these colors next to each other brings a big difference and brings a different contrast to the painting or the art piece. So if you had enjoyed this video and if you find this video so much helpful to you and an educational one, so please like, share and subscribe. So I have given a tons of information to you, and you can use this video as a reference video when you start a new work or a new painting. And if you are a little bit confused, you can watch this video and you can see the basics, what are the color basics of primary, secondary, tertiary colors, and what I have shown to you in this video. And if you meant this video to be so much useful, please let me know in the comment section also. And also I would like to say that what will be my next video. If you have any suggestions, you can put that in the description box. And stay connected and stay tuned with me. So let's meet next Saturday. Until then, bye bye, take care.